Hey guys! Today I will show you how to make super tasty roasted eggplants with olives and almonds. It's really easy, so grab your ingredients and let's get started. First, let's prepare the eggplants. Cut them in half, just like this, then make deep cuts on the inside, like a little grit. This helps the flavors get inside. Now let's chop the black olives and crush the garlic. We want them small and full of flavor. Now place the eggplants on a baking tray, skin side down. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Now it's time for seasoning. Sprinkle with salt, pepper, chopped olives and garlic. And don't forget olive oil. It makes everything taste better. Next, drizzle a little honey on top. Trust me, this makes the eggplant extra delicious. Put it in the oven and bake for about 20-25 minutes. While they bake, you can sprinkle some almonds on top. This will make them nice and crunchy. And now the best part, toppings. Cover with lot of grated Parmesan cheese and fresh mint leaves. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more easy vegetarian ideas. See you!